Wall mount range hood, IKTCH. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a full practical product analysis of the IKTCH 30-inch wall mount range hood, 900 CFM ducted ductless convertible. Features, real-world performance, ease of use, pros, sides, cons, and whether it's good value. Quick specs: Type 30, wall mount range hood, 900 CFM max with 4 speed settings. Vent, ducted, top 6, or ductless, recirculating with charcoal filters. Controls: touch panel, gesture sensor, and remote control. Lights: 2x3W LED, adjustable brightness 4000K. Filters: dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters. Noise: around 65 dB at top speed. Dimensions of 2775, WX1177, DX1145H. Features: high suction power, 900 CFM. Capable of quickly clearing smoke, steam, and cooking odors. Ideal for heavy-duty cooking. Convertible venting. Can be installed as ducted for best performance or ductless with charcoal filters for flexible placement. Multiple control options: touch, gesture, and remote, though gesture and remote may be less reliable. Pro-style filters and lighting. Stainless baffle filters trap grease effectively and are easy to clean. LEDs provide adequate cooking light. Performance: airflow, excellent in ducted mode. Clears air fast. Ductless mode works but is less effective for odors. Noise: low to moderate on lower speeds, noticeably loud at maximum power. Reliability: strong motor and good build quality. Controls are simple, though advanced features like gesture sensing can be inconsistent. Ease of use and installation. Installation: medium difficulty, typically requires 2 people. DIY possible with tools and basic electrical knowledge, but professional installation is recommended for ducted setups. Maintenance simple. Remove and wash baffle filters. Replace charcoal filters when in ductless mode. Controls: touch panel is intuitive, timer function is convenient. Value for money. Price range affordable compared to similar high CFM stainless steel hoods. Performance to price ratio high. Offers strong suction and quality build at a mid-range price point. Trade-offs: noise at high speeds and occasional control quirks are the main compromises. Pros: powerful 900 CFM suction. Convertible ducted ductless installation. Durable stainless steel filters, dishwasher safe. Competitive pricing. Cons: loud on maximum speed. Gesture and remote controls can be inconsistent. Ductless odor control relies on charcoal filters. Buying and installation tips: choose ducted if possible for best performance. Follow recommended mounting height, around 27 to 30 above cooktop. Expect noise when running at full power. Have a second person help with installation or hire a professional. Bottom line: the IKTCH 30-inch 900 CFM wall mount range hood offers excellent suction power and a professional look at a reasonable price. It's ideal for frequent, heavy cooking, especially when ducted outdoors. Noise at high speeds and mixed reviews on gesture remote functions are its only notable downsides. For the price, it delivers strong performance and solid value.